is going to help us decide which team is actually going to go home with the final gold medal. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, before we get to the prizes, before we get to the awards,
This was good fun. This was really good fun. Yeah, this is
incidentally, she celebrated her birthday just yesterday, but we'll get to that in a little bit.
yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, can you sit down for just one moment? We are going to very lovely ambassador for the Genesis Foundation, Dia Mirza. Come on, everybody, give her a big, big round of applause. So, Dia, I know you've been associated with the Genesis Foundation for a while. I know you've had some incredible experiences meeting the kids and being associated and doing a whole lot of things for the foundation. So, I'm sure everyone here would like to know your experiences, your thoughts, and of course, I know you have some things to share as well. So, let's go ahead with that.
Good evening, friends. I wish I could look you in the eye, but I'm blinded right now by the lights in front of me. I just want to know. Okay, I can see you now. Can I just see them, please? It's always wonderful to be able to
Can we move the
see
cameras back a
everyone
little
here.
bit, please? Yeah, there you go.
You
Now we can
are
see.
you are a gathering of truly incredible individuals. Each of you has made the time and has committed yourself to such an important cause, the cause of children. And all of you have not just made the time to be a part of this cause, but have kept time apart to, studiously study the lyrics of songs, rehearse, spend hours rehearsing them, and then flying into Mumbai from Delhi and Bangalore, and taking part in this wonderful spirit of competition. I don't really call, Genesis CEO Sing a competition. I think it's a wonderful opportunity for us to celebrate each other and celebrate our commitment to making a difference. We all know that we've all been either born into privilege or have worked our way into privilege. We've worked very hard to achieve what we have. But there are millions of children in India who need our support. And I think if each one of you can spread the good word about the incredible, extraordinary work being done by the Genesis Foundation, then I'm sure you could impact change in many more lives. And I say not just the lives of children, but the lives of all those individuals who you encourage to be a part of this change. Because I think the most extraordinary gift that each one of us receives when we give the gift of life to a child by saving the life of the child is the gift of true happiness to ourselves. There is nothing in the world more satisfying, more fulfilling than being able to, or being in a position to impact change, to save the life of an innocent, beautiful child. I have goosebumps saying this, and I know that these are not just thoughts, this is the truth, and it does permeate into our consciousness, and it does take us back home. It truly does. I just want to say a big thank you, Prema, to you and Jyoti for adding so much meaning to my life and my existence. It's wonderful to be a celebrity. It's wonderful to be able to join hands with incredible individuals who are trying to make a difference. But I can't even begin to describe what it means to me each time I meet the children in hospital. It's so much more than writing a check. The easiest thing to do is write a check. But meeting them and spending time with them and seeing their bravado, their spirit, their unflinching enthusiasm for life, despite how difficult their circumstances, they're so unaware of it. They're so innocent. They have no idea how difficult it's been for their parents to get them where they are. How difficult it's been for their parents or their family to find the resources for the treatment they find themselves undergoing. And when I see these little babies smiling unfeelingly and just playing, even despite the 100 intravenousness that they've endured and the pain of chemotherapy and post-operative pain, I mean, it just gives me such a sense of life, and it empowers me, and I am so grateful for that. Thank you. I want to say a special thank you to our judges for making the time and celebrating the spirit of life, and I can't wait to tell you who the winners are. I heard कि मेरे ससुराल और मायके में बहुत तगड़ी आज competition हुई है. Apparently Delhi is very, very close to beating Mumbai. Bombay. Or maybe the other way around. So let's see what the results are, and thank you once again to each and every one of you. Thank you. But remember to spread the word and give those around you the opportunity to give life a chance, and especially more so to themselves. Thank you.
Could we please invite Dr. Bharat Agarwal, the head of oncology at Wadia Hospital, to come up on stage? All the work that he has done. Nani? So would you like to say a few words?
I have been treating children with cancer at Wadia Children's Hospital now for more than... I have been treating children with cancer at Wadia Children's Hospital now more than 30 years. And 30 years ago, if you ask me, there was absolutely no scope for these kids. But now, with pride, I can say that we can save more than 80% of these kids. And a lot of this is possible because of the foundation like Genesis Foundation and like people like you who contribute to the resources required for treating these children. I would say that there is a big gap still between the opportunity and the reality. And I think all of us together can very well bridge that gap between opportunity and reality and give these kids a chance to live. Thank you very much.
Doc, before you go, I just want you to share something very important, I think, that each of us should know and should not shy away from. Do you see a significant rise in the numbers of such children who are coming to your hospital now, more than ever before?
Yeah, that's very true. This year we have clocked more than 150 kids with cancer. My hospital takes in only children less than 14 years of age, and just 5 years ago we had about 60 or 70 kids. We are just next door to Tata Hospital. Tata Hospital is a big center. It attracts many more children, but ours is a children's hospital and still has 150 new cases of childhood cancer. Each childhood cancer requires treatment for a long period, at least 1 to 2 years. It costs lakhs of rupees, so it's not very easy to treat these children. And still, we are quite happy. And as Dia said a little while ago, when you see the smile on the face of the child, you know that you have made a big difference.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd love it if everybody could get up and us here at the cake table. We have a cake table in the house. Prema and Jyoti, could you please join Dia?
लाइट दे ना गोविंद लाइट चालू कर अरे यार एक मिनट थैंक यू ए पार्टी वीडियो वाले जाने की जिद ना करो यूं ही पहलू में
Happy birthday to you. Oh, sorry, my bad.
अबे
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dia. Happy birthday to you. Alright, here we go.
Another wish.
Wish
Another
big,
wish.
wish big.
big
Big wish.
अरे कौन है हाँ वीडियोग्राफर
Don't fight.
अरे
लड़ाई नहीं करेंगे प्लीज आराम से खुशी का मौका नो
हैप्पी बर्थडे मैम हैप्पी बिलेटेड बर्थडे मैम बिलेटेड बर्थडे
yeah you're going to get fed by all
मैम लुक स्ट्रेट प्लीज अरे कैमरामैन
shoo
कैमरा निकाले यार मैम लुक स्ट्रेट मैम लुक हियर मैम लुक या
सर एक फोटो सर आपके साथ ऑल थ्री ऑफ यू हैप्पी बर्थडे केक
thank you so much
Yes, oh no. So I wisely decided that I won't judge. I'll just be around and I'll see what I can say. But these two guys have been working hard right from the beginning. And I heard the Bombay team was rocking, so I said, shit, I missed this. So I have to probably go see the video again. Yeah? Yeah, you should send me that, yeah. And yeah, both of them have been fabulous, and I'm just happy because you know, taking this time off for me, I mean, Nani knows because this is tricky, but for me to come for a Genesis Foundation gig is great, and to know that all you guys support this thing, and you know, all the heart that you guys put behind it, and your time, and to see all the teams really like, you know, going for it, you know, that's amazing. I'm a terrible judge. I tend to say things a little bluntly, and Rajiv knows, he knows me for a long time. But I do want to say two things. One, to the guys who are on stage, try not to keep your back to the audience for too long because, you know, you'll disconnect. And the guys in the audience, when your team is up there, come on, give them one big push. You got to say, you got to scream, you got to make them feel like they're rocking, yeah, because they are. So good luck to all of you, and whoever wins, I don't know who's going to win tonight. I think that's, you'll tell me? Or she'll soon tell me. And yeah, you guys
Yet, the way they held the stage and represented their city, I thought it was absolutely brilliant. And when I say I thought, it's from the judges. Yes, judges, please just nod.
Nani. It's amazing that there's one family, that one of the greatest family, and they did.
The mic is off, but we can completely agree on the fact that this is a very well-deserved prize. Let's give them a big round of applause.
Hooray!
And like Nandini said, actually like Leslie said, abhi to party shuru hui hai. Let's move up to the 30th floor at POV and point of view and carry on singing because we're going to have some music set up over there as well. Please join us on the 30th floor. Thank you very much. Thank everybody at the Genesis Foundation. Let's give them a big round of applause.
Genesis Foundation team. Well done. Congratulations, stars. What rock stars we got here.
Did you all have fun? First, tell me that. Wasn't it a wonderful evening? It always is. As the ambassador of the Genesis Foundation, this is my second year where I've attended 40 CEOs sing. And what I really love about the evening is that हम critically ill, underprivileged बच्चों के लिए पैसा इकट्ठा कर रहे होते हैं, लेकिन हम गाते हुए, मुस्कुराते हुए, खुशी से करते हैं. क्योंकि I think what we recognize is कि ज़िंदगी ने हमको बहुत अच्छी लाइफ दी है. हम प्रिविलेज में पैदा हुए हैं और हम इस प्रिविलेज को अब्यूज़ नहीं कर रहे हैं. हम इस प्रिविलेज को रिस्पेक्ट कर रहे हैं और जो हमारे हिस्से का काम है दूसरों तक मदद पहुंचाने का, वो हम कर रहे हैं. सो इट्स अ वेरी स्पेशल इवनिंग. सब बड़े दिल से यहाँ पे मौजूद होते हैं, दिल से परफॉर्म करते हैं और हमेशा बहुत मज़ा आता है टू अटेंड द जेनेसिस फाउंडेशन CEO सिंग. You know, every time I visit the children in hospital, I realize I come away empowered and strengthened. क्योंकि जब आप इतने छोटे कम उम्र के बच्चों से मिलते हैं हॉस्पिटल के बेड में, जहाँ पर उनके 1000 सुइयाँ लग चुकी हैं, कुछ बच्चे कीमोथेरेपी से जा चुके हैं, कुछ बच्चों का हाल ही में हार्ट सर्जरी हुआ है और कितनी मुश्किल से उनके माँ बाप ने पैसे इकट्ठा किए या जेनेसिस फाउंडेशन तक पहुँचे हैं, फिर भी उनके चेहरे पर मुस्कुराहट होती है. वो खुश होते हैं, मिलकर खेलने के लिए तैयार होते हैं. ऑब्वियसली वो खेल कूद नहीं पाते, फिर भी इतने प्यार से मिलते हैं और मुस्कुराते हैं. और इस मुलाकात में हमेशा ये एहसास होता है कि हम छोटी छोटी चीज़ों के बारे में लाइफ में कंप्लेन करते हैं. ज़माने में और भी बहुत बड़े गम हैं, बहुत और बड़े दुख हैं, और अगर हम एक दूसरे का दुख बांट सके तो उसमें ही सबसे ज़्यादा खुशी है. So the kids are beautiful and I love meeting them and I always feel good when I see them.
If you know about the movie recently, Kabhi ka Wais ka trailer aaya.
Ji.
You seen that and how?
I'm very excited. I'm a huge Shah Rukh Khan fan and so am I a very very big Hrithik Roshan fan, and I think both films are very unique and very different from each other and I wish them both all the success. It's going to be very interesting to see Hrithik and Yami in the story that you get a sense. My mother was telling me yesterday, ऐसे लगता है कि बहुत दिल को झंझोड़ने वाली कहानी होने वाली है, and of course Raees is loosely based on a true story, so that will also be interesting. I'm very very excited about both films.
34th birthday, wish you a happy birthday.
Thank
And
you.
How you celebrate have seen
It was a wonderful birthday, especially more wonderful because Iran gave me so much love. My recently released Iranian film has done phenomenal business and people have really loved my performance. So मैं बहुत खुश हुई उस बात को सुनकर. 15 साल हुए रहना है तेरे दिल में को बनकर. बहुत सारी छोटी छोटी बड़ी बड़ी ये साल में घटनाएं हुई हैं मेरे ज़िंदगी में जिनके बारे में मैं सोचती हूँ और बड़ी खुशी महसूस होती है. It's been the year of firsts, many firsts. My first little direction that I did with My Kids for Tigers film, my first opportunity to work in an international film, just many firsts and wonderful firsts, and it's been a great year. Thank you.
फिर अगर गिफ्ट की अगर बात की जाए तो इस बर्थडे पे अगर इस बार का सबसे अच्छा गिफ्ट क्या मिला आपको?
I think प्यार होता है हमेशा. और इस बार तो इतना सारा प्यार मिला कि मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि मैं कैसे इस प्यार को संभालूं. इट्स ऑलवेज वंडरफुल टू रिसीव पीपल्स लव. वो सबसे बड़ा गिफ्ट होता है. आई थिंक मेरे लिए सबसे स्पेशल विशेस वही होते हैं जो लोगों के दिल से निकल के आती हैं और वो आप पढ़ के समझ जाते हैं या सुन के समझ जाते हैं. जब लोग कहते हैं कि वो मुझे अच्छा इंसान समझते हैं, वो मेरे लिए सबसे अच्छा विश होता है. थैंक यू.